Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying backups and access. Don't proceed until you have recovery codes or an alternate 2FA method. Sign in to the primary accounts that use Google Authenticator so you can change settings. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you know your Google account password. Once done, open the service's security or two-step verification settings and locate the linked Authenticator entry. This first step prevents lockout and prepares you to remove the app safely without losing access to accounts. You now remove the Authenticator links inside each account settings. For each service, choose to disable two-factor or specifically remove Google Authenticator as a device. Follow the confirmation prompts. If you plan to switch to another 2FA method, configure it first. Scan a new QR code or add SMS backup, then confirm it works. Make sure you note any newly issued backup codes and store them securely. Once a service confirms removal, move to the next account until every linked entry is cleared. You finish by uninstalling the Google Authenticator app once every account is unlinked. Before deleting, double-check that you can sign into each service using the alternative method you set up. If you find you're locked out, use stored backup codes or the service's account recovery flow. Start with automated email or SMS recovery. If those fail, contact the service's support with ID verification, maintain patience, and provide requested info. That key troubleshooting step usually restores access without the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.